Diagnosing. Thank you again for joining me on another video. Today I want to share with you guys how to remove your master cylinder from your Toyota Celica 2000 up to 2005 model. And this is specific to the American version, which is the left-hand drive, because I know the Europe, Japan side is the right-hand drive, and the master cylinder is actually positioned in the bonnet at a different position, right? So this is specific to the left-hand drive Toyota Celica 2000 to 2005. Alright guys? Okay guys, so what led me to have this work done and to share this video with you guys, I realized that my clutch wasn't functioning as it's supposed to, right? I just couldn't get into gear and all of that. So I end up pulling off the slave cylinder and clean it up and realize that it's still not pumping. I flush, I do a flush where I leak out all the oil out of the slave cylinder and connect up back and everything, and started to bleed it now and pump and bleed, but it wouldn't fill up back. So I was wondering what's happening here. It just giving me these little movements but not filling up, no matter how long I've been pumping, and it just wouldn't fill up back. So I decided to pull the hose from up top right there, and when I did that, I realized that no fuel was coming down there, or just little tips of fuel was coming down while I'm pumping. So it led me to believe that it must be the master cylinder, right? And so this is what I have to do now. So guys, this is where your master cylinder is located, under the dashboard, under the steering section there, and it is connected to your clutch pedal. It has that little fork looking thing that you're looking at there that is connected to the pedal with a little dowel that pushes through from one end to the other end, and then a little pin is slid in right in there to hold on to the pedal. Also now it is held on to the car section by two 12mm bolt that uses the 12mm nuts onto it. So you'll have to pull these from this end, and then you come around the car, the bonnet of the car, and you're peeping right through there, right there. That's where you'd have to now pull that master cylinder through. However, before you can do that, you have to remove the reservoir here, the fuel reservoir, and that is held on by two 12mm nuts. Here I have disconnected the hose that go to the master cylinder, and you also have to remove those two connection that runs the fuel, and then when you do that, then you just remove just like that. Now with the hose still attached to the master cylinder, you have to carefully, navigate that through the hole. You have to go back into the car now and try and help guide the fork through the hole so it can come loose. Another thing guys, the two 12 nut that hold on the master cylinder inside the car, you won't be able to see the back one, right? You'll now have to pull up this section of your dashboard, and then uses a long extension with the 12 socket on it. Push it through, just kind of wriggle yourself through until you can see it from above, like what I'm doing right there now. and then you push the long extension with the socket on it, and that's how you can actually get to pull that back bolt. Once you've done that, you come back around the front, and then try to guide the whole thing through. You get release and come forward with it. Once you get it come forward, then you have to pull this connection right here, so you can now have that in your hand free. And there you have it, guys. My master cylinder is now free from the body of the car. Fortunately, mine was still working, meaning the fork was still pumping properly and the seal was good. However, it seems like the hole has gotten blocked some way, somehow, so no oil was actually coming through. What we did there now was just pump it. We blew it out with some oil, with some air first, and then now we got the same oil and we pour in there while we did some manual pumping, and it was all freed up and was good again. After all that was done, guys, it was time to get it back into the car. So we just cleaned it up, get 2 fresh bottles of brake and clutch fuel, and install it back into the car, fill up again, and we bleed back the system, and everything was good. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I do hope that this video may help someone in doing this kind of work to their car. Ciao, catch you again in the next video.